everybody, welcome back to Creative Cat. My kid broke a mirror and I wanted to repurpose it into something, so I made this mixed media art on it. My one more project from trash. You can also do it on bottles or canvas. Let me know in comments what you think about it and please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Let's see the tutorial now. So this is that broken mirror I was talking about. It has beautiful texture on the back. Here we are going to do the design. As usual, I'll cover it with glue and tissue paper. Now you don't have to break mirrors in your home. You can just make it as bottle art or on canvas. Just sharing my upcycling project with you all. This I have plaster of Paris or POP. I'll mix some glue in it to make a texture paste. Add as per your preference of thickness. Let's apply it on mirror case. Ignore the black color which I gave it earlier as I was thinking of some different design. This is a piece of cardboard I'm fixing here. Apply texture paste to handle too. Here are some tiny balls I made with clay. You can use styrofoam balls or even small bits. Mix them in remaining texture paste. And apply it on mirror case. It will form a different texture. After drying, I'll paint it purple, which is my favorite color. You can use any different color. Now let's make a face mold using a doll. I have done this before in one of my video, but in case you haven't seen it, I'll show it again. You have to use hot glue gun here. Put some corn flour or talcum powder for dusting. And this is the clay. You can use any clay here. So like this, I made this face. I'm using this paper. Any pamphlet paper will be ideal for this. The shiny one. You all must be knowing how to make a paper fan, right? I'm doing the same here. fold it in zigzag style. And fix it with glue. Now let's arrange everything. On the cardboard piece, I'll stick the face. Color it. I'm reusing this old lace I had. Color it too. Now arrange the fans as you wish. I have colored them black already. I request you to my new viewers to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Now coloring the fan with purple, just highlighting it. I'll be layering colors to give that final effect. I'm using little pearl yellow here on random places. It goes well with the purple. You need to blend colors well, otherwise they will look patchy. This is metallic purple, just highlighting. And this is metallic golden finally. Color the sides. You can either stick this hook like this with hot glue, or you can stick a magnet and use it as fridge magnet. So like this, I altered that waste mirror case. If you like this video, please hit like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to press bell icon for new updates. Thank you so much. Bye bye.